What's up, the Radical fam? Today we're doing some Rad bushcraft, and I just wanted to show you guys our old primitive shelter. It's on a beach, like a little sandbar on the river. We call it a beach because it has beach sand. It's just a bunch of thorns grown in, but yeah, I'll show you guys. Pretty cool in here. You got benches, logs. You can have a fireplace. It's open right here, so your cherry. There's another room this way. If you go in here, and there's a door right there, and you can look at the river. It's all overgrown. Looks like no one's really been here. Maybe the fire, maybe a little bit, but other than that, not really much. But yeah, here's the view from inside out, looking at the river. And you can see a little sandbar right there as well. So it's pretty cool place in here. Finally here at the spot. Looks like no one's really been here. Need to redo this and just fix it up a little bit, so stay tuned. Woo. Water. Woo. Woo. So I found the most straight sticks I could find for the shelter, and I'm gonna eat some lunch, and then I bring the firewall over here from the old spot because I like this spot better. It's more nice. And then yeah, we're gonna do a lean-to, so stay tuned. Moment of truth. Thank you for watching this far. This is what we did all today. We put this up, made a little fire pit, made a firewall. We will come back and finish this. It will be cool. It's really sturdy. I can go like this, you know. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe.